This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Billy Dahl. Enter front screen porch to the spacious living room. Dining opens to kitchen west/breakfast bar. Kitchen newly redone west/new countertop, backsplash, new faucet, newer microwave, newer refrigerator. Down the hallway is laundry west/newer washer/dryer and desk area. Laundry has outside entrance also. Guest bath has newer marble counter/sink and some tile. Both bedrooms have newer carpet, master shower newly tiled, sprinkler system totally redone. Other newer items include ceiling fan and master, chandelier and dining, interior repainted 3 years, newer reverse osmosis west/germ killing ultraviolet. For more information, review the details below.